Hey, it's June 6, 2025. It is promotion day. 8th graders. The hour is almost upon us. Advanced congratulations. Anyway, this is behind the scenes, Mr. T's POV of setting up for promotion ceremony. Okay, so here we go. We are going to get, where are my keys? Oh, those are my keys. We're going to get the pop-up tent. Pop-up tent is in my back room. Pop-up tent will be sound booth. I'm in charge of sound today, playing music, stuff like that. Going to the media lab. Where is the pop-up tent? Down here. Okay. Here we go. I am not great with pop-up tents. It's like a friggin' Rubik's Cube to me. I'll have to get one of the boys, my homeboy, Mr. Naidu, Mr. Sasha, help me out. Here's my cart, extension cord, whole bunch of assortment of sound gear, camera gear, brought the Nikon Z8, a backpack with more camera bodies. As usual, I'm probably overdoing this. Chairs already set up. Good job, guys. A couple years ago, we didn't pay them to set up, so teachers had to set them up. Okay, this is going to be my area right here. I will transform this area.
Strap it in. There. And then just pull this down so that way it's on the corner. The tent, Waller. Oh. Yeah, just like you did on this side. These legs. Yeah, how high? No. Just step on the bottom. Yeah, that's it. I think that's good. That's good, right? Yeah,
There's Miss Pisa. She's on decoration of the stage.
Don't judge me though.
There's the principal, Miss Andrews. She's tidying up.
Hey, Mr. T.
Morning. Pop-up tents, audio, chairs, stage. All very important for today. Right now it's 8:37. We've got the girls over there working on chairs. Say hi. Mejia, say hi, I'm vlogging. That's Miss Mejia. There's the stage so far. Got the speakers out. Now we're gonna get speaker stands. Hey, Mr. Kirsch.
Gerald, welcome.
Mr. Stasha testing out the sound.
Madison, out of with ya.
Right now it is 9:15.
Yes, yeah, all right.
go. That's Mr. Daniel over there. That is the balloon lady over here.
That sun is starting to come out.
It's starting to get warm.
Not just 'cause it's light.
There's the rest of the staff. They're probably
Together, we need the key.
learning names. The keys to what?
Oh, that one? The sound box.
The what?
Got to do a test.
Oh, the sound system.
Oh, it's down here.
Oh,
Oh, you have totally different setup now, huh? Oh, it's over
No,
there.
the
it.
mixer?
so
Yeah.
the stage right speaker's not great? Oh, it's okay? Project more. Right?
There are the
Holbrook
guys.
is waving his hand. He's like, what are you talking about? It's
They set up
outside.
the bleachers
It's
back
he
there.
said, what are you doing?
Okay, starting to get really hot. It's 9:15.
And now for the
starting
math
to get really
department,
hot.
Gary Ferreira.
Mr. Stasio always joking
It is
around
hot
on the
right
mic. Here's my setup so far. Don't roast me if you're like a pro at audio, live events. Here's my little setup. There's mixer. I used to be terrified when I used to look at this mixer, but now I'm 80% comfortable with it. Here's my little area. The time is 5 minutes to 10. There are the young teachers over there. We have nice umbrellas. We have a balloon being set up right now. So this is how the kids would go up the stairs. So they would sit here. Just like this. They'd wait for their row to be called up. Stand up. And then they would go up the stairs. They would go up here. Up the stairs. They would shake Miss Andrews' hand. They would shake Miss Pisa's hand. And walk down the stairs. They would wave, go back to their seat. And that's it. We are T-minus 58 minutes. The kids are going to come in about 15 minutes. I got my .7 helpers. Adiana Wilson on camera. Sydney Churchill, also camera, but mostly just to hang out.
Okay.
Got the choir girls rehearsing right now. Don't they sound amazing? It's Mr. Daniel. Yeah, right now they're rehearsing. Nobody's around yet, but that's what we do. Rehearse. They'll be out here in about 15 minutes. Good job, girls. People are starting to walk in. Time is 10 minutes to 11. That's Miss Heaster guiding the parents to their seats. As you can tell, it's underway. Mr. Daniels leading chorus, lift every voice. Got my Puentes turd jugglers over here.
What?
Sanvi Suresh, please come up. We are very proud of you for your scholar, mathematician, abilities, and critical thinking.
Allison Flores. Michael Flores. Ethan Flores Garcia. Oh, Evan Flores Garcia. Taylor Fulbaum. Alexandre Gakasan. Henry Galvan Hernandez. Alejandro Garcia. Brian Garcia. Elijah Garcia. Andrea Garcia Guerra. Edwin Garcia. Sitlali Gaspar Perez. Jaina Gastrop. Miko Jamal Janisera. Isabel Godoy. Tristan Gonzalez Alcantar. Emilio Gonzalez Gonzalez. Skylar Guban. Miliana Guerra. Renaya Hanna. Omar Harden. Sisimone Tonga. Urban Enriquez. And just like that, it's done. Look at this. What a mess. It's a mess. For all intents and purposes, everything went well. Audio, I would give it a letter grade of a A-.